Hey everybody, it's Walter from the Blu-Grit Garage. This is going to be just kind of a short do as I say, not as I do type deal. I'm starting to clean some parts. I'm going to sandblast this differential housing. I don't know if I'm going to end up welding a plate on here just in case I want to use a floor jack to jack it up. It looks like it might be getting a little thin.
Thank you.
Well, I got my PPE on again. Got the differential back. Did a real nice job putting a plate over where we had all the pits, so that ought to strengthen it. He put plates here on the ends. Didn't do the back side, but I think pretty much the front side's where it twists, so I'm good with that. So now it's time to just clean it up a little bit, and I'll be ready for paint. Well, gotta clean up a little bit of the rust a little bit more, but I'll be ready for paint and hopefully get it shoved in the back there. Other thing I think I mentioned before, I got some multiple axles. I got to double check the lengths of them. I'll put the rear diff in. I'll probably wrap a rubber band around the axle tube, shove it in, see how far engagement I have. Then I know which one. One I know is right, the other one is questionable. I have two different lengths, about a ½ inch difference, so I need to clean the ends up and deburr them and clean the rust up a little bit so I can get the tubes in all the way. That's why I can't really tell right now, because I can't get the bearings in all the way. Okay, well, there's progress. Blu-Grit Garage tip: use a mud bucket when you're painting a differential. Keep it up off the grass if you're doing it outside. It's a nice little stand. I'm gonna paint this black, but it's a 16 ounce or 20 ounce. That's gonna be my overflow. Got the valve covers painted. Came back from the welder. It's a pretty nice job there, where I might put a little something here to fill the pits. But he did plate the back side, so I mean the front side, so the back side it looks more stock, kind of going for the sleeper look, I guess.